everyone, this is Cherry Bomb Gaming, and in this episode today, I am going to be trying to make a bed and a furnace. So yeah, let's get started. And I'd like to thank you guys so much. I have 7 subscribers already, and when I hit 10 subscribers, I'm going to do a special video, and when I do that special video, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do, so if you have any good ideas, please comment down below what I should do. So yeah. So let me just go build some this, and now I can go get some stuff. Okay, so now I just have to decide where I should mine, and I think I'll mine over here. No, maybe I'll mine over here. Yeah, okay. So let me just get some stone, and then I can make a furnace, and then I should be good. Oh, and in my last video, someone commented that instead of a dirt roof, I should make a stone roof. And so I'm thinking either in this episode or the next episode, I will also be doing that and making it stone instead of dirt. So just to let you guys know. And yeah. Okay, there we go. And now I think that should be enough to go make a furnace. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, now I've got my furnace. Now all I have to do is make my bed. So let's go kill some sheep. Oh, here, no. Oh, here's the sheep. Okay, here is one piece of wool, and I'm going to start to drown here in a second. Yep. Okay, there we go. Now I just need... Can you make a bed with different colors of wool? I can't remember. That's okay, I'll just kill it anyways. And now... just need to go get some more wool. Is there another sheep? Well, let's see here. Well, let me just go see really quick, because I know I need 3 pieces of wool for a bed. Okay, so I'll just place these here just in case I have to respawn. Where is another piece of wool? Okay, you know what? Maybe I'll just finish searching that. Okay, you guys, I am back. Oh, there is a sheep. Okay, so now that I have 3 pieces of wool, I can go make my bed. And then I think it should be about time to end this episode. So, please comment down below what I should do for my special 10 subscribers video. And yeah, I think I just... How come I only have 3 pieces of wool? Oh, I think I know where I put the other one. Let me just get back to my house. Okay, so oh, here it is. Okay, so now that I have 3 pieces of wool, I have wood, I can make a bed. And there, now I have finished this episode. So, also comment down below what I should do for my next survival island episode. And yeah. Okay, we'll see you guys all later. Bye.